and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. I could play this song forever. Need to breathe. Who doesn't need to breathe? Talk of the town. I can skip that part, but it's a cool song anyway, and we will learn this right now. Capo on the 4th fret, 4 chords only. Let's start. We have first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Usually we play third B, now open, and third E. And the final chord will be B7. So that is a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string down, so 5 strings from the bottom up. And the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. Alright, so there you have what you need for this song. So, almost the whole thing here is played with this chord progression we just looked at. E minor, A minor, G, and B7. We will start to look at the strumming pattern. Okay, so E minor is the first chord, and one round will sound like this. Okay, so that is down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap. And so on. So you're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So with that chord progression, E minor, A minor, G, and B7, it will sound like this. And so on. Alright, so this is basically what the song is all about, almost through the entire song. I will mention the parts that isn't like this exactly. So starting on the 2nd verse, about 1 minute and 20 seconds into the song, you can choose to play and continue with this strumming, or you can play the picking, more of a picking pattern here. And if you choose to do that, it's still the same chords, E minor, A minor, G, and B7, but now you will play like this. Alright, so it's more of a picking. You use your thumb and your index middle finger perhaps. All right, so what you do here for E minor, you will play bass, which is the open E string, then 2 tops. Okay, so bass and top here. In this case, you want to emphasize the open G string, and you can combine that with the 2nd D from the chord. So that's the top note here, the D and G string from the chord. So you play bass, top, clap, top. Okay, and if you want, you can also skip the clap there to just play bass, top, top. Or with the clap. That's the E minor. Next chord, A minor. Here, you're gonna play the same pattern. So bass, top, clap, top. And here, the bass will be open A. And the top in this case, you wanna emphasize the 1st fret B string. This note here. You can combine that with the 2nd G if you want from the chord. And that will sound like this, bass, top, clap, top. Okay, next chord will be G. Okay, so in this case, you'll have the same pattern. You play the bass, which is the 3rd fret E string, this one. And the top here, in this case, you want to emphasize the open B string. So that's why we're playing the G with this open B, not the 3rd on B. So open B string, you can combine that with the open G string as well from the chord. And with the pattern, it will sound bass top, clap top like this. And then we'll have the final chord at B7. Okay, same pattern. The bass in this case will be the 2nd A string, this one. And the top note you want to emphasize here will be the 2nd fret G string, this one. You can combine that with the 4th fret D string, like this. And with the pattern, bass top, clap top, it sounds like that. So in a context, couple of rounds of this chord progression, E minor, A minor, G, and B7 with the picking here will sound like this. This is the only part in the song where you play this, about 1 minute and 20 seconds, like I said, into the song, the 2nd verse, and we'll play that chord progression for 4 rounds, and that's it. Then we have a bridge part also, and that's the last part that differs from the main thing, which is the strumming pattern. And this bridge part is about 2 minutes and 21 seconds into the song. So what you're gonna do there in the lyrics, blinding diamonds can keep shining, and that's where we are. E minor 1 time, blinding diamonds, and you keep that reading out for a while, and then on the lyrics, sooner or later, so on sooner you play E minor again. We all know that plastic, and on plastic you play the B7. Just one down like this. So that is the bridge part. So 1 E minor, long break there, and then another E minor and a B7. And then it continues with the same strumming, same chord progression till the beautiful end. So that covers Need to Breathe, like I have to now. And Talk of the Town. So good luck with this one, guys. A great, cool song. I like the picking patterns there. Sounds cool to play with the claps and everything. So yeah, have fun and play tuned.